next problem is let fx equal to what? Integration 0 to 4 modulus of t minus x dt. Then find fx as a function of x without integral sign. Okay, so we have to do this one integration. Okay, and we have to find out function in terms of x. So we have to find out fx. Now solution. Okay, so fx is given this one. Fx is given integration 0 to 4 modulus of t minus x dt. Okay, so you can see we are integrating with respect to t. Okay, so this limit is what? T equal to 0 to t equal to 4. That means t will lie from 0 to 4. Okay, so this is lumbar line. Okay, this is 0. Okay, and this is what? 4. Okay, t will lie here. Okay, possible values of t is what? From here to here. Okay, but you can see here we have modulus of t minus x. Okay, so x will be what? Okay, x is variable, so x will be what? X belongs to R. Okay, so x can be anywhere possible. X can be anywhere possible, but t will lie here only. Then how to find out function? Because if this value, okay, this modulus depend on what? X value. Okay, so we don't know whether x is greater than t or less than t. That we don't. Okay, so x belongs to R is there. So how to find out this function? So for solving this one, we will make three cases. First case what? If x lies here. Second case is what? X lies here. And third case what? X lies here. Okay, so three possibilities we can take. Okay, so this is what? First portion where x is what? Less than 0. Second portion is what? This one, x is what? Greater than 0 and less than 4. That is second possibilities. And third possibility is what? This one, x is greater than 4. Okay, so first possibility when x is less than 0. If x is less than 0, that means x is negative. X is negative. Okay, if x is negative, so t is what? 0 to 4 and x is negative, so the inside quantity what we can say? Positive, because t is positive and minus x is negative, so minus or minus what? Plus, so we can say this is positive. Okay, so what we can say, if x is less than 0, so this integration what will become? Fx equal to integration 0 to 4. Okay, inside quantity what will come? Positive will come, so this will come what? T minus x dt will come. Okay, so fx equal to what will come? Okay, integration of t is what? T square by 2 minus x. Okay, x is what? Constant. Okay, dt will come, so integration of 1 is what? 1 into dt is what? T will come, and limit we have to put 0 to 4. Now first you will put 4, so what will come? 16 divided by 2 minus 4x. Okay, minus, if I put here 0, so this is 0, this is 0, so 0 will come. So what will come here? 16 by 2 is what? 8 minus 4x. Okay, so fx equal to what? 8 minus 4x if x is less than 0. Now next is what? If x is 0 to 4. X is 0 to 4. Correct? So if x is 0 to 4, so what will happen? Suppose x is here. Okay, so 0 to x you can see. 0 to x. Okay, if I say 0 to x, so t value will be here only, na? Okay, so if I take x is here and t lie from here to here, then this inside quantity, okay, t lie from where to where? T is what? Less than 0, less than x, sorry, t is what? Less than x. Okay, so t is less than x, that means this value is what? This value is what? Negative. And if t lies here in this interval, then what will come here? T is what? In greater than x, then this will be positive. Okay, so here what to separate? Fx equal to integration of 0 to x. Integration 0 to x. Okay, so 0 to x will be there. Okay, so that means what? T lie from where to where? 0 to x. Okay, so you can say that if I take in this interval, then t will be what? Less than x will come. Less than x will come, because t is what? From this one, in between will be there, and x is what? Here. So we can say that t is what? Less than x. If t is less than x, Okay, so this is what less than x, so this value is what negative. So here we have to multiply minus of t minus x dt. Okay, plus integration of x to what will come 4, x to 4. Now integration x to 4, so t lie from where to where? X to 4. Okay, t lie from where? In this portion. Okay, so t is here, that means what? X is here. So in this case we can say t is greater than x. So here we can say that t is greater than x. If t is greater than x, that means this value is what? Positive. So here what will come? T minus x dt. Okay, again I will tell. See, 0 to 4 is there. Okay, 0 to 4, and t will be what? Any value between here. Okay, and x is lying from 0 to 4 only. Suppose x is here, x is here. Okay, so t is what? From where to where? So here if I say this one 0 to x, if t belongs to 0 to x, okay, 0 to x, so here we can say that t is what? Less than x will come, and when t will be what? X to 4. Okay, so minimum value of t is what? X. Minimum value of t is what? X, and here minimum value of t is what? 0, and maximum value of t is what? X. Correct? So here we can say that t is less than x, and in this case we can say t is what? Lie here. So here we can say t is greater than x. Okay, so t is greater than x we can say. So we can say that if t is greater than x, so we can say t minus x is what? Greater than 0. And here what we can say? T minus x is less than 0. T minus x is less than 0. So inside quantity is negative, so we have to write minus. If inside quantity is what? Positive, so we write it like that. So this integration what will come? Fx equal to minus outside. Okay, integration t is what? T square divided by 2 minus xt, limit 0 to x, plus this one what will come? T square by 2 minus xt, limit what to put? X to 4. So this will come what? Fx equal to minus, if I put x, so x square by 2 minus x square, and if I put here 0, so it will come 0 only, plus, now here if I put here 4, so 16 by 2 8 minus 4x, minus, if I put here x here, so x square by 2, and this what? Minus x square. This will come. Okay, so here fx I am writing here, fx I am writing here, so this will come minus, if I multiply here x square by 2 minus x square, so minus x square by 2 will come, and minus is there, so what will come here? Minus x square by 2 plus x square. Okay, minus we are taking inside, minus x square 2 plus x square. Okay, this is what? 8 minus 4x plus 8 minus 4x, and minus x square by 2 plus x square, minus x square by 2 plus x square. Correct? So minus x square 2 minus x square 2. Okay, and x square getting cancelled. So what will come? Fx x square minus 4x plus 8. This will come. Okay, so when it will come? When x is what? From where to where? 0 to 4. Okay, so x belongs to 0 to 4, then this will come. Now if x is like here, so that means x is greater than 4, x is greater than 4. Okay, if x is greater than 4, then definitely we can say that it is greater than t will be there. Okay, x is greater than 4, and t is what? 0 to 4 only. Okay, so t is what? 0 to 4, and x is what? Greater than 4, so definitely it will be what? It will be what? Greater than t will be there, because maximum value of t is what? 4, and this is x is what? Greater than 4, so maximum value of t is what? 4, and it is greater than the maximum value of t, so that means we can say that here x is what? Greater than t. So in this case this function is negative, so here what will come? Fx what will come? 0 to 4, inside quantity is what? Negative, so we have to multiply minus, so here will come minus of t minus x dt. So what will come here? Minus outside, if I integrate what will come? T square by 2 minus xt, 0 to 4. So what will come here? Minus, if I put 4 here, what will come? 16 by 2 8 minus 4x. Okay, 0 if you put, 0 will come. So this will come what? 4x minus 8. This will come. Okay, so fx we can define from here. So fx will come what? If x is less than 0, x is less than 0, so what function will come? 8 minus 4x. 8 minus 4x. And when x belongs to 0 to 4, that means x we can say belongs to 0 to 4, then what function will come? X square minus 4x plus 8. And when x is greater than 4, x is greater than 4, then what will come? 4x minus 8. 4x minus 8. Okay, but what happens if x is 0 and x is 4? Okay, so x is 0, so x is 0, you can put here 0, so modulus t will come. Okay, so that we can include anywhere. So if you include here, no problem, you can include here also, and x equal to 4 also you can include here, or you can include here. So we are including here. Okay, so like that we have to find out fx. Okay.